she walks alone. The world whispers. The silence once feared has become her strength. Society measures value in numbers. How many friends, how much attention, how much approval. But what if the absence of noise is not a weakness but a weapon? What if solitude is where true power is forged? Today we redefine loneliness. Today we uncover the Stoic truth behind strength, solitude, and self-mastery. 1. Solitude is not loneliness. Seneca once wrote, "Nowhere can man find a quieter or more untroubled retreat than in his own soul." Loneliness is a craving for validation. Solitude is a choice. A woman with no friends is not broken. She is free. Free from shallow connections, free from mindless distractions, free from those who do not align with her path. The mind, unburdened by the expectations of others, becomes unstoppable. 2. The strength of indifference. Marcus Aurelius said, "It never ceases to amaze me. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinions than our own." A woman who does not seek validation holds an advantage. She is immune to the opinions of the crowd. She does not need their applause, nor does she fear their silence. Her worth is not measured in friendships, but in discipline, resilience, and self-mastery. The Stoics teach us, do not attach yourself to what is beyond your control. Focus only on what is within. 3. True connection is rare. Epictetus reminds us, the key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. The world will tell you that friendship is everything, but what they do not say is that most friendships are empty, built on convenience, on mutual distractions, on nothing of real substance. The few who truly understand your path will find you. The rest are noise. Do not fear being alone. Fear surrounding yourself with the wrong people. 4. Silence builds power. Powerful people do not waste words. They do not fill silence with meaningless chatter. The strongest presence is the one that does not beg for attention. "A wise man is known by few words," said Marcus Aurelius. A woman with no friends has time to think, to reflect, to grow, to build herself into something greater. The world's greatest minds did not emerge from the noise of social circles. They were forged in solitude. 5. Action over worth. You will not be remembered for how many friends you had. You will be remembered for what you built, what you created, what you changed. Stoicism teaches us action over words, purpose over popularity, self-mastery over shallow connections. Waste no